Is your business ready for Web3? A 5-minute assessment. Thinking about Web3? Not sure where to start? This quick overview helps you gauge your business's readiness in just 5 minutes. We'll touch on key areas like digital infrastructure, customer engagement potential, and data ownership. Discover if blockchain, NFTs, or decentralized solutions align with your current model. This isn't about hype, it's about strategic integration. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of your Web3 potential and whether it's time to explore further. Use this as a starting point before diving into our comprehensive assessment templates. Taking your small business into Web3 can feel overwhelming. This video breaks down the crucial first step, understanding the core principles. We'll demystify concepts like decentralization, blockchain, and digital ownership. Learn why this shift matters for future business models and how it can empower your customers. Forget complex jargon. We'll focus on practical implications and how these foundational ideas can translate into tangible benefits for your business. Get ready to lay a solid groundwork for your Web3 journey. Small businesses are increasingly exploring innovative ways to leverage cryptocurrency, not just as a payment rail, but as a core component of their economic strategy. One of the most creative and lucrative approaches is to move beyond accepting general crypto payments and instead, adopt a specific token that is inherently relevant to the business's environment and offerings. This strategy allows businesses to create a unique, token-based economy that directly incentivizes customer loyalty, drives sales, and ultimately, generates more revenue. The core principle lies in what we call a relevant token model. Instead of accepting a generic coin like Bitcoin or Ethereum, a business chooses a token whose purpose, community, or even name resonates with its brand. For instance, a coffee shop focused on sustainability might accept a token dedicated to eco-friendly projects, while a local music venue could accept a token tied to a community of independent artists. This relevance is the key to a powerful new economic formula. By integrating this relevant token, the business can design exclusive, token-based benefits that are more enticing than traditional loyalty programs. Imagine a customer paying for their purchase with the chosen token and receiving an immediate, significant discount, a benefit not available to those paying with fiat currency. This creates a strong incentive for customers to acquire and use the specific token, boosting its utility and, by extension, its value within that microeconomy. The business can further enhance this by offering unique perks, such as early access to new products, exclusive event invites, or special merchandise, all unlocked by holding or spending the token. The creativity truly comes into play with the economic formula itself. A business could implement a tiered discount system where the discount percentage increases with the amount of the token a customer holds. This encourages token acquisition and long-term engagement. Furthermore, a business could use smart contracts to automate these discounts and even create a system where a portion of every transaction is burned, creating scarcity and potentially increasing the token's value. This approach transforms a simple transaction into an engaging, gamified experience. In essence, by strategically choosing a relevant token, a small business doesn't just accept a new form of payment, it builds a self-sustaining ecosystem. It forges a deeper connection with a community of like-minded individuals, creates a defensible competitive advantage, and uses a dynamic economic model to make more money by turning every transaction into a value-adding event for both the business and its most loyal customers. Imagine a small, independent coffee shop called The Daily Grind, known for its artisanal roasts and strong community vibe. The owner, Sarah, wants to grow her local customer base and create a unique loyalty program without the cost and complexity of building her own app or token. She decides to leverage an existing, globally recognized token that has a community focused on sustainable living and local entrepreneurship. For our example, let's call this token Green Coin. Sarah announces a new initiative. Customers who pay for their coffee with Green Coin receive an automatic 15% discount on their entire order. This is a benefit not offered to those paying with cash or credit cards. The premise is simple, but its effects are profound. First, it immediately attracts the existing Green Coin community. People who already hold the token are incentivized to visit the Daily Grind, as they get a tangible, immediate reward. This brings in a new, niche customer base that might not have otherwise discovered the shop. The token acts as a powerful marketing channel, instantly connecting Sarah's business with a community that aligns with her values. Second, it turns her loyal customers into evangelists. Regulars who love the Daily Grind are now encouraged to learn about Green Coin to access the discount. This drives them to explore the token's ecosystem, effectively expanding the shop's reach beyond its physical location. Customers start teaching friends how to acquire the token, and the conversation naturally includes a mention of the daily grind, creating invaluable word-of-mouth marketing. The economic formula is elegant in its simplicity. By accepting a token with a built-in community, Sarah doesn't just process a payment, she activates a new marketing and loyalty engine. She avoids the burden of managing a new crypto project and instead taps into the existing network effects of an established token. This boosts her business's reach, builds a more engaged customer community, and creates a compelling reason for people to choose her shop over competitors, all from a single, strategic decision. Thank you for joining us for this in-depth look at building a thriving Web3 community. We hope this exploration of strategic tokenomics and the power of a decentralized community has been both enlightening and inspiring. The future of business isn't just about transactions, it's about building a shared financial journey with your audience. By focusing on utility, incentivizing engagement, and creating a feedback loop of shared success, you can turn a simple token into the engine of a powerful movement. Before you go, if you found this content valuable, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more detailed content and updates. Your support helps us continue to provide the in-depth insights you need to navigate the evolving world of Web3.